Hi, and welcome to Yakoongle French and English. My name is Guylain Mpindi. Today, I will teach you how to write a professional letter to Immigration Canada. Bonjour, chers amis. J'espère que vous allez super bien. Dans cette leçon, nous allons donc voir ensemble comment écrire une lettre professionnelle à l'immigration Canada. Mbote na bandeko nyonso boza kolanda nga lelo na kotangisa bino ndenge nini tokomaka lettre na mukanda na leta ya Canada. Olakisa bino ndenge tokomaka yango, okay? Soko so comprendre te naza pona aider. Guys, you don't get it? Please ask. It's my job to help you guys, okay? So we're gonna create the folder and the file, and then after that I'm gonna show you guys how to write a letter. Okay, so let's see, we're gonna come here. So you click there, and then it depends if you are using Mac. Let's say I don't know if you are using Mac or Windows or Linux. So we're just gonna you're gonna go on the download. Okay, I'm just gonna create that there. Okay, right click here, and then you go new, and you're gonna go to fold. Okay, from here we're gonna it's so click inside, double click inside of it, and then we're gonna you right inside, you're gonna go new. So right click here. Okay, right click inside, you go new. Okay, and then we're gonna go to, when you're here you go here. Okay, double click on it, and then we're gonna write okay, and then double click on it. Okay, just be patient. So we're gonna write here inside. All right, so we're gonna write the address. Okay, let's say you work at Microsoft. I'm just giving you guys an example. Okay, so we're gonna type here, just giving you an example, Microsoft, let's say uh, Canada, something like this. Okay, and then we're gonna put the address. Okay, let's see, something like that. No. Okay. This one you can fix it for you. Okay? So you're gonna see there's like a space. So if you don't want that, just you highlight it, you go here. Okay, you go here, and then you can change them. Okay, but this one is not computer course. You see, it's not computer courses. Okay, so and then see, I'm just giving you guys example. Okay, and don't forget to put the date. Okay, let's see. Mm, okay, and then now we're gonna okay. Okay, we just try to create something. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, I just made it up. Okay, that way you guys gonna have an idea. Okay, so all right, and let's see. Okay, something like that. That way you guys have an idea. Okay, so this is where you work. Okay, I'm just giving an example. And they're the one who's writing a letter to Immigration Canada, and then they explain your position, what you do there. Okay, so this is where the letters is gonna go. Okay, because sometimes we have some of immigrant. Okay, they or the newcomer when they go when they start let's say they work okay in manufacturing, so they ask a letter to employee to where they work to provide them a letter to send to immigration. So sometimes the HR they struggle a little bit like what they're gonna put inside. Okay, so that's why I want to help you guys here. Okay, okay, just to give you guys an idea, right? So some you have to take a look, maybe in the case of spelling mistake. Okay, so Okay, so take a look in case something is missing. So okay. So here, just make sure you see when you see this red, just it's gonna fix it. Just click on it. Right. So sometimes give you a few options here. Okay. So you can leave it, or it's showing you can change it here too. Okay. So same thing here. Okay. So then so it's right there for you. Okay. So this is how you write it. Okay. So when you finish this, you can save it as a PDF. Okay. Just in this case, I'm just gonna leave the way it is, just to show you guys how you can write it. Okay. So you don't need to, like, when you go here, you go to design and you go here. Okay. Or let's see, you go here, you go let's see this, or let's see, you put like this. No, you don't have to put this. You don't have to. In this case, it's a professional letter. Okay, you don't need to put this. You just leave the way it is, like this. Okay, you leave the way it is. So you highlight this. Let's see, click here, here. Okay, let's see. It's okay. We can just leave the way it is. So all right. So just leave it like this, and then after that, you can save it, or you can print it. Okay, I just want to show you guys how to do it. All right, because in some situation, when you go to HR to write your letter, they don't know what to put there. Sometimes they struggle. Okay. So yeah, so I just want to show you guys how to do it. Okay. So if you see, let's see, you're gonna see like spelling mistake, something like that. You're gonna click here, but you have to be careful. Okay. When you change that, you have to reread it to make sure that okay, it's not okay. Sometimes give you the option here. Okay. So you have to read them to take a look. All right. Don't just send it right away. So it's done. All right. You print it and you give to your employee and then your worker, and then after that they can mail this to Immigration Canada. Okay. That's how you write it. All right. So yeah, so I'm gonna stop here for today. So thank you so much. In case you don't understand, please email me or contact me. I'm gonna try my best as I can to help you. So thank you so much. You guys take care. Bye bye.